If you didn't already hear, Bank of Canada made a big announcement yesterday and made a jumbo rate cut on the prime lending rate. This is really important for anybody who's out shopping for a home, has an upcoming mortgage renewal, or is currently in a variable rate mortgage. Let's talk a little bit about what this means to you and how this affects your situation. So instead of talking about specifically what yesterday's rate cut did, let's talk a little bit about what all of the rate cuts in aggregate have done since June. So starting in June, the prime interest rate was at 7.2%. Since yesterday, now the rate is at 5.95%. So they've cut the prime interest rate by a percent and a quarter. So what this means is if you have a variable rate mortgage currently, and it's an adjustable variable rate mortgage, meaning that the payment fluctuates as the prime adjusts, you're going to have seen your payment drop by $76 for every $100,000 of mortgage debt that you owe. And you're also going to see an approximate savings of $6,000 over a 5-year term for every $100,000 of mortgage money that you own. If you have what's called a static variable rate mortgage, then that means your payment isn't going to change, but that does mean that more of that payment is now going towards paying down principal than it is paying towards interest, which is, of course, great news as well. If you have a home equity line of credit, this means that for every $100,000 of line of credit debt that you own, you're going to see that interest payment be reduced by about $100. Going forward, future projections anticipate that we're going to see more future rate cuts from the Bank of Canada. The next meeting is on December 11th, and with inflation at 1.6, but unemployment up at 6% and consumption down with GDP, the Bank of Canada is going to look to stimulate the economy further with future rate cuts. So keep a close eye on December 11th, maybe mark it on your calendar because it's going to be an important day to see what they decide to do with future rate cuts going forward. If you have questions on your own situation, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a DM, or just send me an email. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week and talk to everybody soon.